We're not just cutting a ribbon. We're opening the door to new opportunities, greater potential, and a stronger future for our students.
Samsung values creating prosperity for the communities that we call home. We believe in what the school district is doing, and that is why in November of 2023, we invested $1 million to help underwrite the vital equipment, staff and training needed for classrooms, dual credit labs for coursework, robotics and automation, and other manufacturing-related programs for this beautiful new building.
From our youngest ducklings to our current high school students, this new facility will impact generations and generations to come by molding the skills necessary to transition into high-demand careers. What we plan now has a significant impact on the lives of our students, our parents, our educators, and our overall community going forward.
Our new CTE expansion is more than just an additional space for our students and staff. To me, it's more about empowering the next generation of skilled professionals, innovators, and leaders right here in the Taylor community.
As you look around, we see the state-of-the-art equipment, outstanding teachers, mentors, an atmosphere of innovation and learning. I can feel here the unlimited possibility in this space. Samsung's future is here with you.